Hello and welcome to today's video, where I'll show you how to remove and clean the detergent drawer on your Beko washing machine in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First, open the detergent drawer by pulling it out gently. Now, look for a blue latch or button inside the drawer. It's usually located in the middle, in the softener compartment. Press down on the latch while pulling the drawer out completely. Now that the drawer is out, it's time to clean it. Rinse it under warm water to remove any detergent or fabric softener buildup. You can rinse both the inside and outside. For a deeper clean, use a small brush or an old toothbrush to scrub inside all the compartments and corners. Once the drawer is clean, check the slot where the drawer goes inside the machine. Start by brushing it gently to loosen any buildup. Be careful and make sure to reach into the corners. Then, wipe it down with a damp cloth to remove any remaining dirt or residue. Once everything is clean and dry, slide the detergent drawer back into place. And that's it! Your Beko detergent drawer is now clean and ready to use. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and helpful tutorials.